Hello everyone, I am Ananya from SIT products in Mangalore. My idea is automatic detection of disease in cattle. Automatic detection of disease in cattle involves using technologies like sensor, artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze data from the animals. This data may include body temperature, behavior, and other factors. The AI system then identifies patterns indicative to specific diseases, helping farmers to detect illness early and take timely actions. Advantage: automatic detection of disease in cattle has several uses, including early diagnosis and treatment, preventing disease outbreaks, improving animal welfare, and optimizing farm productivity. It helps farmers to monitor large herds efficiently, reduces manual labor, and make informed decisions, leading to healthier animals and more sustainable farming practices. The drawbacks of automatic detection of disease in cattle include high initial costs, potential inaccuracies, leading to false diagnosis, technical challenges like connectivity issues, ethical concerns about more reliance on technology, and data privacy and security laws. Balancing these factors is essential to ensure successful and responsible implementation in farming practices.